Hi, wish you happy new year 2023. I hope this year brings you more good health, wealth and more success. And for the good success, the only shortcut you need to do is keep improving your skills and find a good mentor. For this week in this new year, to start with the global events, for the coming Thursday there is a Fed meeting, so it may have the impact on the next day. Other than that, there is no any much global events for this week. And to start with Nifty from the last week, it is making lower high and a lower high, and it is in the slightly consolidation mode. We will be discussing in the further video. And regarding the VIX slightly it went up and it's now cooling off. So let us see the Nifty week ahead analysis and the swing trading stocks for the coming week. Well, to start with Nifty, Nifty is making lower high and lower high, and it is keep testing this trend line. And from the last week, it saw a small retracement move, and for the coming week, we hope again this price has to retest this trend line. And if it is going to consolidate, only if it is going to give the strong breakout from this trend line, the further up move is expected for the coming weeks. And regarding India VIX, after reaching up to 16, now it is VIX has slightly cooled off. Now it is in 14. We hope India VIX to further consolidate for the coming week. The swing trading stock for the coming week recommendation is ICICI General Insurance. So we can find a good consolidation pattern here. So if it is going to give a good breakout from this trend line, so from here the first target expected can be 1368, that is 1368 to 1365. So that can be the first target. The next stock is Indigo. Indigo is after has given a breakout from this trend line. See here, the price has rejected from this trend line continuously, and now after testing this trend line once again here, it has the price has taken a U-turn. So this is a good recommendation stock for the swing trading for the coming week. And the first target can be for this. You can take around 2300 will be the first target for Indigo. The next stock for the coming week is Hindalco. You can see there is a trend line here, and from this trend line also it has given a very good strong breakout from here. And if this continues, we can once again see Hindalco to reach around this value of first target around 515 to 530 levels. The next stock is BPCL. BPCL I have mentioned in the last week weekend analysis also. As I said, if it is going to give a U-turn from this value area, you can consider buying here. So as I said, exactly it has happened. If you have bought already with last week, you can keep holding for the first target of around 350 levels. The next stock is Sun Pharma. Again, this stock I have recommended in my previous swing trading analysis, and it is holding the prices respecting this trend line, and we can expect the first target of around 1060 levels. So the next stock for shorting, this is regarding shorting. For shorting, you can see Burger Paint. Burger Paint is after being in a long downtrend, you can see here there is a pattern. This looks like which pattern? Head and shoulders, right? So now the price has given a breakdown here, and then it has retested this neckline, and again it is following the trend, that is downtrend. So this is the good place to go short, keeping the stop loss here. So this is regarding shorting for the Burger Paint. The next stock is Biocon. Biocon already I have keep on telling in my previous swing trading stocks for the shorting, and it has given a target. Already it has achieved the target of around 260. The next target can be around 250 levels. So if you are already short on Biocon, keep holding it so that we can expect the levels of around 250 for the coming weeks. The next stock for TCS, already this stock also TCS I recommended last week for the shorting. It has slightly given a retracement move towards this trend line. So for the coming week, if it is going to give a U-turn, you can give a short on this area. Give a like for this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for getting the regular updates like this. If you have any specific doubts regarding the swing trading stock selection and swing trading strategies, type your comments in the comment box. I'll be replying quickly for your questions. So, and also I have given my WhatsApp number. You can contact me in my WhatsApp number for your doubts regarding the swing trading strategies and swing trading stock selections.